Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 10a and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. Tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to your contacts. So here we have to find the contact that we would like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find the option block numbers. Just tap. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, right here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that it has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now what we have to do is to come back to the home page and tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner again. Then go to settings, and here go to blocked numbers. And this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option works. We can also tap on add a number here and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and we can basically block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you'd like to unlock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.